When I first started baking sourdough bread, I found myself frustrated with some of the recipes I was finding online. They had a lot of unnecessary steps and complicated terminology that really threw me off as a new baker. If that's how you feel as a new sourdough baker, I've got a solution for you. My ebook, No Nonsense Sourdough. In this ebook, I've put 18 of my favorite sourdough bread recipes with no unnecessary steps and no complicated terminology. So no bassonage, no autolyse, none of that in any of these recipes. Just simple, straightforward sourdough bread that's guaranteed to turn out great, even if you're new to sourdough baking. The book comes with my master sourdough bread recipe, along with 3 of my favorite variations on that recipe. I've also got some creative stuff in there, like cafe con leche sourdough bread, walnut and raisin sourdough bread, and an amazing apple cinnamon oatmeal sourdough bread that I can't wait to share with you. It's seriously so good. There will also be an updated version of my sourdough focaccia and my sourdough dinner rolls in this ebook. So don't wait. Click the link below, buy your own copy of No Nonsense Sourdough. I know you're gonna love it.